How are you, sir?
Let me take you to your car.
Who's car?
Madam, come around here. No, just let's go.
Go back. Oh yeah, no bye.
Atiku. Thank you. Okay, DJ, let's go. Atiku. from the hardship of this current administration. Your Excellency, they waited this long because they have never been this hopeful. Your Excellency, this is Lagos. Welcome home. I am standing here before you, Your Excellency, to tell you that all of us in the state of Lagos, under our great party, the People's Democratic Party, we have spoken to ourselves and we have decided to focus only on the project 2023. Your Excellency, we have spoken to ourselves and we decided to say, you know what? We care less whatever is happening anywhere. What is paramount to us is to deliver Nigeria at the same time Lagos State for the People's Democratic Party. Your Excellency, I know the day is fast spent, and I know we still have another day for the Southwest tomorrow. But I want you to take a look at all of us. This came at 11th hour, and we are here gathered waiting patiently for you. We appreciate you. We believe in you. We cherish you. Look, from this date, there will be an upset in 2023. Hey! What we want is a Nigerian president. So long. It is your show. Don't let me take your time. I want to appreciate you personally for believing this time that we are going to deliver Lagos for PDP and for believing in this your God. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The next governor.
I am so excited and happy with these happy people. We want to introduce to you one single Nigeria with multiple competencies. That Nigeria that is indoctrinated with the art of civil administration and the rudiment of politics. It is different from them all. Yeah. For 2023, we have two presidential candidates. We have just two presidential candidates, Atiku and Atiku and Taba sọ̀rọ̀ pé kéèyàn mọ̀yàn, Atiku mọ̀yàn. Lẹ́ni lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Atiku, ọmọ Èkó ni wọ́n ṣe nígbà ìgbàgbọ́ nínú ẹgbẹ́ wa. Ṣé bí bàbá rẹ̀ ló nílé wa? Bùkẹ́ fún wa Atiku. Atiku Abubakar, the people of Lagos, they say as long as you are going to be in Lagos, when you are walking, you have to be Bulgarian. So please, just when you stand up to come, walk with royal majesty because you are a son of the soil. Yes. So about the Atiku, I need Bulgar fún wọn. Atiku. Bulgar fún wọn. Ladies and gentlemen, because of time, I want to introduce the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. A man who is welcome in all the 36 states of the Federation. Oh yeah. Atiku.
Jandor, Jandor, First and foremost, I want to apologize to all of you for keeping you all day waiting.
Apology accepted, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you all. Now, in all my political career, and we are the people who established the PDP, I have never seen Lagos so mobilized. This makes me believe this election around, PDP is going to win Lagos. I believe you are going to win Lagos this time around. 100%. Therefore, we are ready to support you to any level to make sure that you win Lagos. And you know, when I say I'm going to do something, if you like, bring the sky down, I will make sure I do it. Therefore, I want you to work harder. We will cooperate with you. We will support you. We will protect you. We will advance your interests. And make sure this time around you win Lagos. Lagos for PDP. PDP for Lagos. Well, we have not started campaigning. So let them not say I have broken the law. I have come to see for myself that PDP is on ground in Lagos. And I have seen for myself PDP is on ground in Lagos. That makes me believe that this time around Jandor is going to be the next governor of Lagos State. You will see what we are going to do when the campaign starts in Lagos. So we thank you very much for your support, for your patience, or for your perseverance, for supporting PDP. PDP! PDP! Jandor! 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 God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. That was a very wonderful speech by the next president of Nigeria.
Very big thank you for paying us this visit. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone for your patience. It shows how much we are ready for that positive change in Nigeria. Because for everybody to wait this long, it means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for making it. The senators in the House, BOT members. Let me just stand on the existing protocol. I want to say a big thank you to you all. We all have a great job ahead of us. Let us not forget our purpose. The main objective, 2023, May 29th, the next president of Nigeria